Welcome back, children. How are you guys? Hope you're all fine, safe, and healthy. Okay, and I think you all are put on weight. The complexion might have increased. You'll be looking very beautiful because you are at home. Okay, let's get back to our biology class. Okay, children, we are going to start up with a new lesson that is about forest our lifeline. Okay, the lesson is forest our lifeline. See, children, if you look around in your house, you can find so many furniture in your house made up of the product from the forest, right? The door, the windows, the cot, the dining table, the sofa, the teapot, the chairs, okay, the cupboard. You might have seen so many things surrounding in your house made up of the product which is from the forest. Okay, and children, this forest, it is made up of three main components. Okay, if you look around the forest, it is made up of three main components, namely plants, animals, and the microorganism. Okay, easily we can find the plants and animals when you go near the forest. Maybe when you go to a native place, if the forest is there on the way, you can easily find there's n number of plants and animals. And of course, we may not be able to see the microorganism, but there will be microorganism everywhere. Okay, and if you take the forest trees, you'll be able to find three layers in it. Okay, the uppermost are trees, the middle are the shrubs, and the smaller ones are herb. We can find three layers of vegetation in the forest, namely the uppermost tree, the middle one is shrub, and the lower one is the herb. Okay, and these layers of vegetation, it gives food and shelter for the birds, for the animals, and for the insect which live in the forest. Okay, there are so many animals live in the forest. There are so many varieties of birds, they dwell there. And we can find the insects singing beautifully in the forest. Okay, the buzzing bees we can hear. We can see the beautiful butterflies fluttering there. Okay, so it gives food and shelter for so many animals, birds, and insects. Okay, and there are various components are there. Even though it is made up of various components, they're all interdependent. Okay, as we depend upon you and you guys depend upon us, the forest, it is interdependent. The components of forest is interdependent on one another. Animals depend upon the plants and the plants interdepend on the animals. Okay, and children, we can find the forest, it keeps on growing, it keeps on changing, and it regenerate easily. It's an easy phenomena. When you cut a tree, plant two trees, easily we can bring back the forest. Okay, and in the forest there is interaction between the abiotic and the biotic components. It will be very live when you walk inside the forest. Okay, because there is interaction between soil, water, air, and the living organism. And children, these forests protect the soil from erosion. You know what is meant by soil erosion, right? Washing away of the topmost soil, it's called as the soil erosion. And forest protects this protect the land from the soil erosion. Okay, and this soil in turn it makes the forest to grow and regenerate. Okay, it holds the soil tight. The roots of the tree holds the soil tight so that it will not be washed away. Okay, and in turn soil gives nutrition, water for the plant to grow. Okay, and there are people who depend upon the forest for their lifetime. Okay, one way or the other, carpenters are depend upon the forest. Yeah, there are so many tribal people who live in the forest. Their life gets now vanished in in the forest. Okay, they enjoy being there in the forest. Okay, it gives lifeline for many communities who is there in the forest. And also, the forest influence the climate, water cycle, and air quality. Okay, children, uh, wherever there is forest, the climate will be very peaceful, very mild. You will not find the scorching hotness there. And easily you can get the water, and also the quality of air which you breathe in. It will be pure, without any pollution. Okay, so forest, it is the lifeline for many, many, many people. Okay, is that clear, children? Okay, about this, we are going to see in detail in this lesson. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.